What's up guys, it's Cook. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add LIV camera mod to your Gorilla Tag fan game. So first what you want to do is go to the link in the description and go to the LIV dashboard. And then you want to, it'll bring you to this page. It says choose your SDK. This is for mixed reality, like stuff that's in your home and stuff. But this is like VR, like Gorilla Tag and stuff. So go to LCK portal and then hit login either with continue with meta or with email. So I'm going to use my email. This is also my support email, so if you have any problems, please email me. Now you have to go to your email and check for it. Then hit access the platform. Then it'll ask you for your name. You don't really have to put your real name. You can just like do this. And then hit sign up for SDK updates and then hit submit. Then right here it's going to ask for you to create an organization. So just hit create an organization. And for this, I'm just going to name it tutorial And then for website, you don't gotta put anything here, I'm pretty sure. But for primary support email, you can just do the same email. And then for organization type, click this and then hit game developer and then hit create. Now right here, it's gonna ask you to create a game, hit create game. And then for me, I'm just gonna name it tutorial. And then where it says game engine, if you're using Unreal Engine, select Unreal, but I'm using Unity, so we're gonna use this. Once again, just put your support email. I don't think this is required, but I'm just gonna do it so I can get updates. Then you can hit create game. And right here, you hit I agree to the LCK license agreement and privacy policy. And then hit this as well. And then hit agree. Now, this is your ID. Do not forget this. Since this is a tutorial, never show anyone your ID. But since this is a tutorial and I'm not using this, I don't really care, dude. So hit download SDK. And we're going to open this. Alright, now what you want to do is go to Unity and then select your project and then hit show in Explorer. Then click on your project and then click packages and then leave this open. Now what you want to do, this is for live streaming. Now go back to the file where LIV is, where it says tv.liv.lck and then tv.liv.lck-streaming. Select both of these. So this is for live streaming for people. So grab both of these and then drag it into your packages right here. Wait for this to compile. And then it should be right here. Alright, now what you want to do is go back to your project and wait for this to load, compile. Alright, now this is compiled for me. All you gotta do right here is I think hit complete setup, yeah. And then go here and then name this whatever your game name is. I'm gonna name this tutorial game. And then go back to LIV dashboard and then go to LCK portal. Or no, yeah, go to LCK portal and then log back in. Once again, check your email. The reason we're doing this is because now we have to get our ID. This could take a bit. Now hit access the platform. And then close out of this. And then hit select organization and then click your organization. And then under here, click it. So like click this. And right here, it'll show your tracking ID. So just copy this. And then go back to your Unity game and then paste it. Right here, leave this on default Unity audio because it'll use Photon VR and stuff. Then hit validate project setup. And right here, it's going to ask for all of this. Hit apply fix. And then right here, hit add layer. And then right here, hit refresh, I'm pretty sure. If that doesn't work, then close out of it and go back in. For me, I just created this project, so I don't have an audio listener. So I'm just going to create a camera, and it'll instantly add one. We're going to go here, get this main camera, then refresh. There we go. Now it's all set up. Now what you want to do is go to LCK, and then overview, I'm pretty sure. There used to be a thing where you could select your hand tag. I don't know if it instantly detects it or something now. Oh yeah, right here. Right here. So click configuration and scroll down right here. It's gonna ask for your collider tag. Make this from hand to hand tag spelled exactly like this, or however your hand tag is spelled. And then for microphone permission, on app startup, leave it like that. And then for image format, you can either make it a JPEG, a PNG, a TGA, or an EXR. I don't know what those other two are, but you can either make it a JPEG or a PNG. Everything else should be like this. Yeah, like this. And for prefixes, you can just leave it like this. And then, yeah, just leave everything else blank. Now what you want to do is go to packages and then find where it says LIV creator kit, like this. Then click runtime, then hit prefabs, and then drag the service helper in. This will like make the quality configuration good. I recommend creating an empty and naming it LIV setup like this. And then dragging all the stuff you need under it. So like unpack this, drag this under it. Where it says tablets, I'm pretty sure this is it. Yeah, this is it. So go to where it says base LCK template, or tablet I meant, and then hit import TMP essentials if you haven't already, and then import TMP examples and extras. Then everything should start loading in. If it doesn't, then drag it back in, and it should. I do not know that one. Yep, and then it should be like this. You can customize it, but like by like adding your own textures and stuff. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. So go to Google, search up grass, or no, I'm gonna do wood texture. And then I'm going to use, I'm going to use this one, because this one's smooth. Then we're going to go back to the project, and then go into your project, and then drag it under anything you want. I recommend setting none power of 2 to none, and then filter mode to point, no filter, so it like makes it like, I don't know how to describe it, like makes it like pixelated like this in a good way. And then now you can just drag it under anything you want, like this. Some things you can't drag it under, like this and stuff. Pretty sure if you bake your lighting, it'll make it not black, or it's probably just the texture. Yeah, like this. And it does that now. And then you can drag the smoothness down and make it like this, and then turn on enable GPU instancing to make it look better. And then you can customize it, and yeah, you can customize it to however you like. If it's too small, your texture, you can mess with the tilling. And yeah, it should work when you first load in. Everything should be working. And yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. If you would like to see more tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe and have an awesome day or night.